What's up, you guys? Delte RS here once again with another video just for you, and today we got a package and we are going to do the rear wiper delete. I ordered the JBR rear wiper delete. We're going to go ahead and take it apart and get to fixing this. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to do is pop this off. I just use a small precision flat blade here and kind of work it in there. Try not to scratch the plastic and pull it down. As you see, I've already done the other side. Inside of here, there's a Phillips in each hole, so we're going to go ahead and remove the Phillips. Alright, so all 4 screws are out. Next step, grab this and hope you don't break it. Alright, so the panel's off. Next step is removing these 3 bolts and disconnecting this wire. Actually, I lied, we missed a step. Pull up on this cap. We're going to take the wiper off first. So for the wiper, you use the 13mm. And taking the wiper off, it is a success. Motor's out. Next thing we're going to do is zip tie the wire connector up. Boom. Next step is to definitely take this rubber grommet out. Got it out. Alright, so now we definitely have to clean this glass because we don't want any dust under there. We want to make a proper seal. Let's get to cleaning. Alright, as you see, it's much cleaner. Just waiting for it to air dry right now, then we'll be applying it. And while we're at it, we're going to go ahead and apply some decals since the windows are nice and clean. The car has been branded. Make sure you go follow that Instagram. And that looks great. It's a food break. Alright, so I'm all done with eating now. Time to put the cover back together. Almost forgot. Alright, so as you see, everything is put back together. Now I get the pleasure of cleaning up this mess. Now let's take a look at it one more time before we end this video. Alright, you guys, so that's going to go ahead and conclude today's video. So if you've enjoyed the video, of course, smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. I was debating between the JBR wiper delete and the Killer wiper delete, and I think I preferred the JBR windshield wiper delete. Let me know if you think I made the right decision, and of course, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Until next time, I'm checking out.